My dear students, I want to welcome you to this video, which we shall be engaging on the practicals that are associated with this course. Considering the level of the participants or the students, we'll start from the beginning so that we'll be moving at the same pace. My name remains Dr. Ignatius Obaga. So let's go into the practical straight. So we shall be using Sublime Text for the practical Sublime Text. So if you don't have Sublime Text, you can just go online and download Sublime Text. It's an open source application that that you can use to write your HTML programs. Okay, so let me open a new tab for us to start there. Okay, so this is our untitled page. So let me save it. Let me save it so that you can see what I'm doing. You go to File menu, click on File menu. You go to select Save As. You click on Save As, then it will open the folder location. So this is on the desktop, but I want to put it on my document so you can see it's on the document. So I want to put it on the folder that I've been using for the facilitation. So this is now facilitation of 2024. So let me open a new folder. Let me give it a practical folder. Okay, so let me open it. Click open. So now let me give a name to that file. Test.html. Then I will now come down here and choose the file it belongs, which is HTML family. Then I will put the HTML. I will now save it. So it is saved, and you can see that the name have changed. So I'll now create the skeleton of the web page. I want to create a skeleton for the web page. Then the next thing I will do is to give it, start with the doc type HTML, then HTML. Okay. Well, I'll give it a title. This title, let me say Hello World. Hello World program. This one is something I will display on the title bar. Okay, so this is the body. Whatever thing I type here will appear on the web page. Like this is a practical class. Okay, so I will save, go to file and click save, or I press Ctrl S on the keyboard. Now let's see what we have done. If it is working, let me go to that folder where I saved it. And by me looking at it, you see that the file color have changed. So now look at, this is what this is data that I wrote on the text. There was no formatting. I just wrote plain text. Let me close this one. So this is where we are. Okay, now I want to show us the HTML tags and their functions. Okay, let's go there so that we'll be able to be picking from there for our practical. Okay, so let me go back to the folder. We'll go back to the folder. That I've sent you this file anyway, but if you are unable to use them, then this will be an opportunity for us to go through them together. Okay. this will be an opportunity for us to go through them together. Let me zoom the text. Okay. Now this is exactly that thing we wrote. This is known as the skeleton of the web page. So if you derive the skeleton of a web page, like this first one, doc type, is just applicable to HTML5, and even without it, the title, okay, which is shown on the browser's title, yes, like that index that we have, welcome, hello world program. That is what you are going to have on the title bar. Okay, so body tag. The body tag is where you insert your text page. So the web page content. So whatever thing you type here are the things that you're going to see when your page is displayed on the browser. Okay. Then paragraph tag is used to define a paragraph. For instance, that thing I wrote before, if I want to write next one, for instance, if I come here now and still write, maybe I press enter key and type HTML coding is easy to understand. Okay, and I save. Let's look at it. Let's look at it on the browser. Let me go to the browser so that we can see it there. This is the browser where it is. If I refresh my browser now so that you can see it, if I refresh it, you still see that it is continuing. So if I want this to appear on the next line, I should use paragraph. Okay. So now what do I do? Let's go back to our code and put paragraph here. What is the paragraph tag? P. That is on. Then I'll come here and close it. Okay, so it is closed already. So I save it, Control S on the keyboard. I go to the menu bar and choose Control S to save it. Now, when I refresh this now, you see that it will be in the proper place. So this is another paragraph. All right. Okay, so let's move to the next tag in our list here. So the paragraph tag and the heading tag. Okay, so we have different types of heading tag. Now it's from H1 to H6. That is the size. Okay, so like if you have a write-up, you always have a title, a chapter title. You have subheadings or subheadings and the rest. Now let's look at the different headings so that we'll understand this better. Now we'll be using paragraph to differentiate each of them. Paragraph 1. So I use H1. All right, this is header 1. I close it. Then another paragraph. Sorry. H2. I'll just. This is header 2. I close it. Then another paragraph. So it is using it is indenting by itself so that your code will not look clumsy. Okay, H3. This is header 3 tag, something like that. H4. So this is header 4. So you do the remainder, H5 and H6. Okay, I save, Control S on my keyboard. Then I go to the browser. As I've seen it on the browser, you can see that it is coming down as required. So thank you so much for your attention and for watching the video. See you in the next series. Bye for now.